Hello. Let's wait for about 3 or 4 minutes. Let everyone join in. Let's wait for everyone to join. Come on, quickly, everyone, join in. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Another minute. Come on, quickly. Another 30 seconds and then we start off. All right. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform that gives you a world of courses, resources, content, live and recorded sessions to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Also, welcome to Crack CA Exams with Us. That is a channel and vertical of Unacademy that caters to the students of CA Foundation and Intermediate in their pursuit and journey of preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination by providing top educators, quality content, and overall a great learning experience. So come, let's crack CA exams with Unacademy, India's largest online learning platform. Welcome to the session today. Before we proceed, a brief introduction about the educator today. That's me. Hello, I'm Prathik Gupta. I'm a Bachelor of Commerce from Christ College, Bangalore University. I'm an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, an associate member of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and an associate member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India, and also a law graduate from Karnataka State Law University. I'm currently a practicing chartered accountant and also a visiting faculty for CA subjects and an educator for CA students, both offline and online. Prior to starting on my own, I worked with SR Bartley Boy and Associates, that is the Indian member firm of Ernst & Young Global, in the Audit and Assurance Department, and Ernst & Young India, EY India, in the Mergers and Acquisitions Department. Post that, I worked with the Manipal Group in Bangalore as the corporate controller of their Indian entity and their German subsidiary located in Frankfurt, Germany. It was only when I got back from Frankfurt, Germany, that I decided to start something on my own. And that's what gave me an opportunity to also become an educator, and which today has given me a chance to take this session for you, young, bright, and enthusiastic CA aspirants. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. And anytime during the session, in case you have any questions, queries, observations, or discussions to be made, please feel free to drop in a line, and I will be very happy to take it up as soon as possible for discussion purposes or for problem solving purposes as well. And just a second. Okay, and you can also look me up on YouTube with my name, that is Prathik Gupta, Prathik Gupta, to find all the other sessions on YouTube that I have taken, which will help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination as well. Okay, and with the same name, you can also look me up on the Unacademy Learning app, where I've taken a lot of special classes and plus courses on the Unacademy platform. Thank you so much once again for attending this session and also giving me this opportunity to take this session for you. Now, like I told you, Unacademy helps you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination through 3 platforms: YouTube, special classes, and the premium platform of Unacademy, which is the Plus platform, which is also a payment-based subscription model. So YouTube is what you're viewing right now, and it's absolutely free of cost, but nonetheless, it gives you a lot of content and help in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. Similarly, we have special classes that are conducted on the Unacademy Learning app. They are free of cost again, and plus, but great value in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. How do you access those special classes? I will tell you more as we move on. So let's talk about the premium platform of Unacademy, that is the Plus platform of Unacademy, and how it works. So Plus platform, like I told you, is a payment-based subscription model which provides you various packages about which I will tell you in the following slides. But right now, let me tell you that I strongly recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy as soon as possible in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Why do I say that? I say it because of the following reasons. Firstly, it provides daily live classes where you get to chat with your educator, engage in discussions, ask your doubts, and answer polls. All this while the class is going on. Yes, you heard it right. All this while the class is going on. You do not need to wait for another day. You do not need to wait for the end of the session. You do not need to wait for a weekend. You do not need to fix up an appointment with your educator. You can do it right then and there on real-time basis as your classes are going on. Okay, and it's as good as lifting your hand in the in a live classroom and your educator answers your questions and your polls. So it's as easy and important as that. The second reason why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because it conducts live tests and quizzes at regular intervals and periodic intervals, which help you in evaluation of your preparation. And also it conducts various mock tests and quizzes which help you get a detailed analysis of your performance. Now, you might ask me, how is this evaluation and performance analysis of the performance important? Please remember, when you're studying for a competitive exam or for a professional examination, you need to gauge from time to time what is your level of preparation, how much you've prepared, how much is yet to be prepared, and things like that. So these evaluation and analysis help you know or break up your preparation in 3 points. That is your strong areas, your not so strong areas, and your weak areas, so that whatever limited time you get for a preparation, you can use it wisely on your weak areas, not so strong areas, and your strong areas, in a way that you spend more time on your weak areas, a little lesser time on your not so strong areas, and less time on your strong areas, until a point of time where your weak areas and your not so strong areas eventually become your strong areas. So this results in minimum wastage of time and maximum utilization of time. Third reason why I recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because of the courses, because of the structured courses it provides. All the courses are structured and in line with your exam syllabus to help you best prepare for it, which simply means the Plus courses are all prepared in line with your exam syllabus. And once you complete a Plus course on the Plus platform of Unacademy, you can rest assured that you have completed the syllabus of your examination without missing out on any important or major point. And lastly, and most importantly, why I encourage you and recommend you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy is because the one subscription to the Plus platform of Unacademy provides you unlimited access to all the live and recorded courses to watch from the comfort of any of your devices, which simply means you can access all the live and recorded special classes, all the live and recorded Plus courses that Unacademy has to offer you for your preparation, and all this for the comfort of whatever devices you want. So you can access this information from your mobile phone, laptop, tablet, or your desktop, as the case may be. Not only this, you can access it 24/7 without any timing restrictions, like 10 to 6 or 10 to 5, whatever, 24/7. Whenever you find the time, just pull out your mobile phone, log into the Unacademy Learning app, and you can make use of this opportunity. And most importantly, you can access it from anywhere, whether you're at home, whether you're returning home from work, or you're traveling to work from home, or you're waiting for someone for a meeting, or you're on a vacation, or you are in your native place spending time with your grandparents and you have some time to spare for your preparation for the examinations. You can simply pull out your mobile phone, log into the Unacademy Learning app, and make use of that time in your preparation. So keeping these points among many other points, I strongly recommend and encourage you to become part of the Plus platform of Unacademy in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. All right. Okay. Then, like I told you about the special classes and the Plus courses, all the live and recorded special classes and Plus courses are available on the Unacademy Learning app. So for those of you who have downloaded the Unacademy Learning app and are using it, I thank you very much, and I request your support in the future as well. And for those of you who have not yet downloaded the Unacademy Learning app, I request you to go to the Play Store on your mobile phone, download the Unacademy Learning app, put in your mobile number where you will get an OTP, put in that OTP, and using that you can register on the Unacademy Learning app. It's as simple as that, no complicated procedure, no lengthy procedure. And in case you have any problems, you can always chat with the concerned person and they will help you in your registration. registration. Then now you might ask me, by registering on the Unacademy Learning app, putting your mobile number, putting the OTP, what do you get? So you get access to all the live and recorded special classes that Unacademy has to provide to you to help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. And you get access to all the live and recorded Plus courses that Unacademy has to provide to you in order to accelerate and enhance your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examinations. Please remember, Plus is a payment-based subscription model, more about which I'll tell you as we move on. So keeping these things in mind, please go ahead, download the Unacademy Learning app, make use of it, register on it using your mobile number and the OTP, and also bring people around you onto the Unacademy Learning app platform who may not know about this. Educate them about the Unacademy Learning app, help them download the Unacademy Learning app on their phones, help them register on it using their mobile numbers and OTPs, and also make use of the resources that Unacademy has to offer to you in your preparation for the CA Foundation, Intermediate and final examinations. All right, please take a minute, go through this slide, and then we proceed. Any questions, please ask. Any questions? No? All right. Like I told you, the Plus platform of Unacademy is a payment-based subscription model and is also the premium platform of the Unacademy platform, which is a payment-based subscription model which provides you various subscription packages for the various examinations. The CA Foundation and Intermediate subscription packages provided by the Plus platform of Unacademy are as follows. The packages provided are for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. The 1 month package normally costs rupees 3,500. The 3 month package costs rupees 8,750. The 6 months package costs rupees 14,000. The 12-month package costs rupees 17,500, and the 24 months package costs about 21,000. Now, please remember this is the list price. Before you make the payment of the package of your choice, please do not forget to use the code Prathik, Prathik, to get an instant discount of 10% on the above listed price. I repeat, please do not forget to use the code Prathik, Prathik, to get an instant discount of 10% on the above listed price. So the after discount price of the various packages are as follows. The 1 month package will cost you rupees 3,150. The 3 month package will be 7,875. 6 month package will be 12,600. 12 months will be 15,750, and the 24 months package will be 18,900 rupees. So you see, immediately you get a discount of 10% when you use my code. Now, I will personally recommend you to start off with the 12 months package at least for 2 reasons: because it is cost effective. If you compare the per month cost of the 12 months package and compare it with the per month cost of the 1 month package, you will see immediately you get great savings. And secondly, and most importantly, since the CA Foundation and the Intermediate course is provided to you in one package, a 12-month package will be highly beneficial to you because it covers the entire duration of these courses, as it takes about 12 months time normally to prepare and clear the CA Foundation and the Intermediate examination. So if you're getting a subscription package for the duration of both these courses at a very cost-effective price, I think it's a winner. So my personal recommendation will be to at least start off with the 12 months package. But having said this, you're free to choose the package of your choice. But before doing so, please do not forget to use my code, which is Pratik, to get an instant discount of 10% on the above listed price. You can also use the options of the 6 month, 12 months, and 24 months no cost EMI options available, just in case you do not wish to make the entire payment at one shot. All right. Okay. And the payment options available are internet banking, debit card, and credit card, and also the coins that you have accumulated by watching the special classes of all the tutors. You can redeem those for a discount at the while applying for the Plus program as well. Okay. Please take about a minute, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. Any questions, please ask. Take a minute, go through this. Any questions, please ask. Any questions? Okay. Now, like I told you, the Unacademy Learning app provides all the live and recorded special classes and the Plus courses. Now, here are snapshots of few of the many special classes that I have taken on the Unacademy Learning app, which you can make use of in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. There are special classes on revision test papers, business laws, the Sale of Goods Act, Indian Contracts Act, the Companies Act 2013. Among this, you have, in addition to this, you have partnership accounts, accounts of NPOs, final accounts of entities, and many more. Okay, so I request all of you to go to the Unacademy Learning app, go to my profile, Prathik Gupta, and make use of all these special classes that are there, which will help you in your preparation for the CA Foundation and Intermediate examination. Also, I've given you here the links to a few of the many special classes that I have conducted. You can either click on these links or copy and paste these links in your browser to directly take you to the special class on the Unacademy Learning app. So I have taken special class on Indian Contracts Act, Sale of Goods Act, Indian Partnership Act, Limited Liability Partnership Act, Companies Act, Basics of Communication, Accounting Concepts, Revision Test Papers, and many more, which will help you in your preparation. Please take a minute, go through this slide, and then we proceed. Please take a minute, then we proceed. Any questions, please ask. Just a second, I dropped the pen. Okay, so let's start off with this session, which is the revision on sale on goods, sale of goods on approval basis or return basis. Part 2, part 1 was done yesterday. Okay, so we will not cover what we did yesterday, but we will continue from where we stopped. Okay, so we did the introduction, the conditions, then the first type when the goods sent are casually on sale or return basis. So then we quickly went through the journal entries. That is, when goods are sold, it is trade receivables to sale. When goods are returned, it is sales to trade receivables. Acceptance, no entries. When goods are accepted at a higher price than the invoice, again, it becomes trade receivables to sales at the difference amount. When goods are accepted at a lower price, sales account to trade receivables. At the year end, you reverse the entry and you remove the loading. We worked out the first illustration, second illustration, and we stopped at the third illustration. Right? So today we will continue with the third illustration, and I want all of you to solve it. So let's read it. Cali company sends out its gas containers to dealers on sale or return basis. All such transactions are however treated as actual sales and are passed through the daybook. Just before the end of the year, 100 gas cylinders, which cost rupees 900 each, have been sent to the dealer on sale or return basis and have been debited to his account at rupees 1200 each. So 1200 is the selling price. Out of this, only 20 gas containers are sold at rupees 1500 each. You are required to pass necessary adjustment entries for the purpose of profit and loss account and the balance sheet. All right, please take about 5 minutes. Do it and then we proceed. Okay, right, take 5 minutes, do it, and then we'll do it together. Take 5 minutes, do it, then we'll do it together. Any questions, please ask. Take 5 minutes, do it. Yeah, please take another 2 3 minutes, finish it. Let me know. It's rather simple, just 3 or 4 entries. Take another 2 3 minutes, finish it. Any questions, please ask. I want you to do it. Take your time, do it easily. It's a revision. Any questions, please ask. Yes, take another 2 minutes. Yes. Any questions? I'm giving you time so that you can do it peacefully, and then we discuss it and write the answers. Any questions, please ask. Yes, let me know once you're done. Are we done? Okay, let's look at the solution. Let's look at the journal entries, okay? First one. Firstly, what we are doing here is the excess billing that we have done. We are booking it here. How much? 20 into 300 rupees each. Now, how did we get 20 into 300 rupees? Now, please remember, see, what does he say here? 100 gas containers which cost rupees 900 each have been sent out to the dealer on sale or return basis and have been debited to his account for rupees 1200 each. Okay, so 300, and then out of this only 20 containers are sold at 1500 each. So the 20 containers which are sold, obviously it's sold at a higher price, right? 1200 minus 1500, so that becomes 300. So this additional booking we need to do here, which we are doing here. Okay, 20 gas cylinders into 300 rupees excess. Okay, then the second one. What is the second journal entry? Sales account debit to trade receivables. Now this is for the closing stock which is still lying with the customer with on approval basis. We are reversing that entry. How much is the amount? 96,000. Now how do we get 96,000? 80 into 1200. Now what is 80 into, how do we get 80? Now please remember, he's given 100 gas cylinders. Out of 100, 20 are sold, so 80 are still lying with the customer for approval basis. So that sales entry we are reversing it, and then we need to remove the loading on that on the closing stock. Are we clear with the second entry? Okay, let's go to the third entry. To trading account 72,000. Now how do we get the 72,000? 80 into the cost, which is 900, we get 72,000. So what we did, we reversed the sales entry and we booked the actual cost. Okay, yeah, please take about 2 or 3 minutes, go through these entries. Any questions, please ask. Any questions, please ask. Take 2 3 minutes. Any questions, please ask. Any questions? Any questions, please ask. Take another 2 minutes. Take another 2 minutes. We'll work out some more problems on this. Any questions, please ask. Take a minute more. Any questions, please ask. Okay, let's move on. I want you to try this next problem on your own again. I will give you about 5 to 10 minutes to do this. It's not a very lengthy answer, but still, I want you to understand it and do it. E-Limited sends out its accounting machines costing rupees 200 each to their customer on sale or return basis. All such transactions are, however, treated like actual sales and are passed through the daybook. Just before the end of the financial year, that is on March 24, 2016, 300 such accounting machines were sent out at an invoice price of rupees 280. Okay, out of which only 90 accounting machines were accepted by the customers at rupees 250 each, and also and to the rest no reporting is forthcoming. So he sent 300 machines and 90 were accepted. Show the journal entries in the books of the company for purpose of preparing final accounts for year ended 31st March 2016. All right, please take about 5 or 10 minutes and then do it. Any questions, please ask. Yeah, take about 4 or 5 minutes more. Try doing it. Yeah, take about 4 or 5 minutes. Do it and then we solve it together. Do it. Give me the answer. Any questions, please ask. Take another 3-4 minutes. Do it. Any questions, please ask me. Take another 2 minutes. Come on. Let me know once you're done. Right. Take another 2 minutes. Yes, we're doing a revision on good sent or sale or return basis. Working out the problem. Yes, and I'm giving you about 2 more minutes to finish this problem. Let me know once you're done. Take a minute more. Any questions, please ask. Any questions, please ask. Take a minute more. Okay, let's solve it. Any questions, please ask. Now we need to pass journal entries. Okay, the first one. Sales account debit to trade receivables. How much? 2,700. Now, why are we passing 2,700? 30 rupees each into 90. Now, why are we doing this? Now, please, Reha, please remember 90 machines were accepted by the customers for 250. But how much were they sent for consignment? 280. So the customers accepted it for 30 rupees less. So it will be some sales account debit 2,700 to trade receivables. We are reducing the sales amount by 30 rupees each. Clear? Second entry. Okay, now how is this? 210 machines into 280 rupees. Now what are we doing? The closing stock. How many machines were sent? 300. How many were sold? 90. So 210 machines. We need to reverse the sales entry and then book the inventory at cost. That is what we're doing here. So 210 into how much? How much did we book it at? 280, right? So 210 into 280 will give us 58,800. We are reversing the sales entry. Now we are booking the inventories. Now how do we get 42,000? 2,100 into 200 each. Because the machines were costing 200. So we are bringing down to the cost. Please take about 3 or 4 minutes, go through this. Any questions, please ask me. That's your solution. Any questions, please ask. Please take 2-3 minutes. Any questions, please ask. Take 2 more minutes. Any questions, please ask. Any questions? Take another minute. Any questions, please ask. Okay, let's proceed. Now I want you to work out this problem as well. A sends out goods on approval to few customers and includes in the same sales account. On 31/3/2016, the trade receivable balance stood at 1 lakh, which included 7,000 goods sent on approval against which no intimation was received during the year. These goods were sent out at 25% over and above the cost price and were sent to Mr. X for rupees 4,000 and Mr. Y for 3,000. Mr. X sent intimation of acceptance on 30th April and Mr. Y returned the goods on 10th April. Make the adjustment entries and show how these items will appear in the balance sheet as on 31st March 2016. Show also the entries to be made during April 2016. Value of closing inventories as on 31st March was 60,000. Please take about 3-4 minutes. Try this problem. Try this problem. Okay, take 3-4 minutes. Try this problem. Then we will work it out together. Any questions? Please ask. Okay, yeah. Any questions? Please ask. Please try the problem. Any questions? Please ask. Take another 2 or 3 minutes. Take another 2 3 minutes. Take another minute. Let me know once you're done. Then we'll discuss the answer. Are we done? Okay, let's look at the answer. First, we're going to reverse the sales entry. Because this is the year-ending entry. Okay, this is given in the question. Now, we're going to book the actual inventories entry. I'll tell you how we got that. Now, if you read the question, it says it has been sold at 25% over and above the cost price. Okay, so the cost of the goods will be 7,000 divided by 125 into 100, which is equal to 5,600. Okay, that is the entry you see here. Now we booked the cost. Now on 3rd April, 30th April, when the customer for 4,000 rupees gives us consent, that time we book the sales again. Okay, now what is this entry? This entry is this one. Mr. X sent intimation on 30th April. So that entry we are passing here. Trade receivables account debit to sales. There, please take 2 minutes to go through this. And then we proceed. Then we look at how the balance sheet looks like. Are we done? Okay, and this is how the balance sheet will look like. This is the asset side of your balance sheet. This is how your balance sheet will look. Okay, are you done? Take a minute or two. Go through this. Are we done? All right, if we are done, we will be ending with this. We will continue tomorrow morning at 11. All right, until then, thank you so much, and I will see you all tomorrow morning at 11.